Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the Loom Screen Recorder in 2025. So guys, welcome back to the channel and let's get started. Your first step would be to simply load up your browser and simply search for Loom Screen Recorder. We do have the website here that says free screen recorder, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on the screen recorder, you're taken to Atlassian Loom. It says here, create, edit, notate, and share videos with anyone using the best screen recorder available. Loom lets anyone create and share virtually any message quickly and professionally. So if you scroll through, you can see the top features of Loom's free screen recorder. So it captures your screen. You enjoy easy screen recording from iOS and Android devices. Easy share Looms with an instant link to your video. Make quick edits in the browser or mobile app. Add external links to share valuable outside resources. Full screen and custom screen capturing size, and lots more. So in order to do this, or in order to get started, just go ahead and click on Get Loom for free. So click on this and you're taken to where you can record your first Loom video in seconds. Go ahead and sign up with your Google account, or if you want to go through the long way, you could sign up with your email. So let's go ahead and sign up with Google and I'll show you what comes next. So we have this terms and condition, which I would request you read, but let's just go ahead and click on agree. All right, so you're dropped on the onboarding menu. So it says one workspace, two ways to record. Let's set you up in the way that works. We have meeting recordings, connect your calendar to start tracking action, items, take notes, and send a meeting recap with Loom AI for meetings. And then we have a Loom video. We'll set you up with a workspace for you to share your work, send feedback, and stay on track with teammates through a synced video. All right, let's click on next. How are you planning to use Loom? Let's just say for personal project, people who use Loom to send videos to friends and family can record personal projects or keepsakes. All right, click on continue. And what would you like to name your workspace? This name is gotten from my Google. And then you can go ahead and invite some people, but let's just go ahead and click on not now. And then simply set up meeting recordings. So connect the calendar to record, take notes, and send meeting recaps with Loom AI. We could skip this, or you could connect your Google Calendar. I'm just going to go ahead and skip, and then choose your recorder. So you could either work with, the Chrome extension, or you could download the desktop app. It's free, records any window, camera, bubble backgrounds and frames, draw tools, speaker notes, and you can record up to 4K. But with the Chrome extension, you get everything, but without, the extras. And then if you want to hook up your Android or iOS devices, you can download them here. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on Chrome extension. So once the Chrome Web Store opens up, just go ahead and click on Add to Opera, basically, and then click on Add Extension. Once the extension has downloaded, go ahead and pin it. With the Opera Mini, we have the extensions hub here at the top right. So if you click on it, you're going to see your list of extensions, and just pin it to the top so you can make access of it or make use of it. All right, so the Loom extension has been installed. So it's showing that you can basically pin it to the top. You can upgrade for more AI services, but let's just click on next. Let's click on next and get started. So this is Loom, and with the extension installed, just head over to the extensions hub here, pin it to the top, and open up the Loom Screen Recorder. And this is what the screen recorder looks like when you've clicked on the extension. Loom wants to capture your cameras and microphone. You could allow this time, and your profile or your face is going to be at the bottom left, and your microphone is turned on. You could turn this off at any point in time, as well as the camera. So you can turn off your camera, and you could also go from full screen to a window, or just your current tab only, or just your camera alone. And in terms of screenshots, you could take screenshots of a custom area or the current tab. Now, we do have some effects over here. You could simply click on effects here to add like background, colors, images, and also a canvas. So they have templates you could use. And we also have blur. So you could effect blur to parts of the area. You could just blur out some parts of your screen. And then when you're done, click on done. And as you can see here, the entire screen is blurred. All right, so another thing you can do is underneath the more, You can switch to light mode. You could check out your notifications, settings, and some other things. All right, guys. So that's how you can make use of the Loom Recorder. Just go and get the extension installed and enjoy some of the Loom features. And any of your projects would be, dropped here. You'd find it on your device once you're done. It would save to your device, and you can simply attach the link or send out the link to other people. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.